Hello, Angel. I hope you can see the figure here. Everything is clearly written. Now the radii of the this circle, which is circumscribing, now it is 4 centimeter, and all the other measurements you know. What is there? 6, 6, 8, 8, x, x. You know it. Now how to this one? I have done here. See, area of triangle ABC is equal to square root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. I am just explaining, that's all. Now s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. You know that. And that is equal to for 6 plus 8. A is what? That I have told you. This is a, that is b, that is c. Because you know this, you have learned this in 9th standard. The vertex A means this side will be A. The vertex B here means this side will be small b. This will be small c. You know that. In 9th standard you have learnt. So S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So it is equal to 14 plus 8 plus x plus 66 plus x by 2. So 8 plus x, you know how. 8 plus x. 6 plus x. And here 6 plus 8, 14. So now what happens? 14 plus 6 and 8, no, it gives you 28. So 28 plus 2x by 2. So that is equal to 14 plus x. That is equal to, I can even write it as x plus 14. Now area of triangle ABC, how do we calculate? We calculate by the formula S into. I have written at the top the formula. According to that, what is S? It is x plus 14. So in the next bracket x minus a, I have written x plus 14 minus 14. Then x plus 14 minus of b means 8 plus x. And then in the next bracket x plus 14 minus s is x plus 14, c is minus of 6 plus x. So when we simplify this all, no, you can do it once by yourself also. So we get there square root of x plus 14 into x into 6 into 8, because x cancels in those brackets. So we get here square root of 48x into x plus 14. So you should put it as 1. Now we are going to calculate area of triangle ABC in another form. Which is the other form? See, we have got in our figure 3 triangles there. By joining OA, OB, OC, we have got 3 triangles. Triangle AOB or ABO, triangle BCO and triangle CAO, we can say. And they all have base and height. Height is the in radius of the circle, in center, you know that. And this is in radius, last year's portion. So half base into height, I have written here. Area of triangle ABO plus area of triangle BCO plus area of triangle CAO. So we are finding the area in another form. So these 3 triangles we are taking, and now half base into height will be the area of the triangle. So half into x plus 6 into 4 plus half into 14 into 4 plus half into 8 plus x into 4. So when you write like this, what happens? 2 and that 4 will cancel. So you will get here 2 into x plus 6 plus 28 you will get here. Then you will get here 2 into 8 plus x. Why? Because it cancels here. I hope you can see there. It cancels. So what you get? Equal to 2x plus 12 plus 28 plus 16 plus 2x. Then when you simplify it further, you get there 4x plus 56. 4x plus 56 means you remove the common factor if you want. 4 bracket x plus 14 you get. You just leave it as 2. You take it as 2. Okay. Now next step, little more is there. What you should do, you have to put equal. Those 2 areas you have to put equal, because both are areas of triangle ABC only, but calculated in different ways. But they should be equal. Because it is one triangle ABC, so they must be equal. So now when there is square root sign here, we want to get rid of that square root sign. So in order to get rid of square root sign, we square. But we can't square only on one side. We have to square both the sides. So squaring both the sides, this side, that square root sign will go off. So 48x into x plus 14 will remain as it is, equal to this side you have to square. So 16, 4 the whole squared is 16, x plus 14 the whole squared. Okay, then what you do, now x plus 14, 1 x plus 14 is here, there are 2 x plus 14, because x plus 14 the whole squared it is. So I can cancel here only. 1 x plus 14 I will cancel from here, but I won't cancel this. I will just cancel that 2 and write there 1 x plus 14 is remaining there. Okay, now what you do is you write the simple this one. Now 48x will be left over here. Here you have to open the bracket, 16x plus 224. 16 into 14 is 224. Now take all x's on one side. 48x minus 16x is equal to 224. Then 32x is equal to 224. Therefore x is equal to 224 by 32. So it will be 7 centimeters. Therefore the value of x is equal to 7 centimeters. So what you do is, you please see the video and write yourself, calculate by yourself, do it. You can take the help of this, but and I think you will understand. This is the way to do it. There is no other way to do it. And afternoon when you asked, when so much of calculation is there, I just stopped. I said, let me do it at home and show her. Okay, Angel. Good night.